A warm welcome and pleasant afternoon to all the respected participants, resource person and organizing members to the day 2 of our faculty development program jointly organized by Department of Computer Applications and PG and Research Department of Computer Science, Nandha Arts and Science College, Autonomous Erode. No doubt, the session would bring fruitful effects and strengthen our teaching perspectives. The feedback link would be provided at the end of the session in the chat box. Now let me invite Dr. M. Karthik, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science to present the welcome address, followed by the Chief Guest intro. Please, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. So, good afternoon, everyone. It's my pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all of you on the second day of this faculty development program titled Bridging Education and Intelligence, organized by the Department of Computer Applications and PG and Research Department of Computer Science, Nandha and Science College, Erode. We are honored to have with us Dr. D. Vimal Kumar, sir, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Computer Science at Rathinam College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore, as our esteemed keynote speaker. We also extend our sincere greetings to the management, our principal, Dr. S. Manogran, sir, and the faculty members from various colleges who have joined us for this program. Your presence adds immense value and enthusiasm to this faculty development program. Dr. Vimal Kumar, sir, has made remarkable contributions in the field of computer science through his research, teaching, and leadership. His guidance and expertise will surely inspire and enrich our learning experience today. On behalf of the Department of Computer Applications and the PG and Research Department of Computer Science, Nandha Arts and Science College, I welcome all the participants and resource persons. We hope that today's session will be engaging, insightful, and fruitful for everyone. And also, it is my pleasure to introduce our esteemed keynote speaker, Dr. D. Vimal Kumar, sir, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Computer Science, Rathinam College of Arts and Science College, Coimbatore. Dr. D. Vimal Kumar is a distinguished academician and researcher with over 20 years of teaching and research experience in the field of computer science. He holds a PhD in computer science from Anna University, Chennai, for his pioneering research on mining association rules from multi-relational databases. Throughout his illustrator's career, Dr. Vimal Kumar has served in various reputed institutions and guided several PhD and also MPhil scholars under Bharatiya University. His research interest spans across artificial intelligence, data mining, machine learning, cyber security, and IoT. Presently, he is working as an associate professor and head, Department of Computer Science at Rathinam College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. He has published 64 research papers in international journals, including 26 in Hoppus Index, 4 in Web of Science, and 2 in UGC Core listed journals, and has authored 8 books, including titles on artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, and wireless communications. His scholarly contributions have earned him 10 prestigious awards, including the Best College Teacher Award at 2019, Best Scientist Award 2020, Research Excellence Award 2020, Faculty Excellence Award 2025, and Exemplary Service in Education Award 2025, and so on. Dr. Vimal Kumar is also a recognized patent holder with several innovations published and one international patent granted by the Australian government for an artificial intelligence based trading system. A much sought after resource person, a keynote speaker, he has delivered lectures at numerous national and international conferences, workshops, and faculty development programs across India and abroad. With his deep commitment to advancing technology driven education and research, Dr. Vimal Kumar continues to inspire both faculty and students through his academic leadership and innovative vision. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed keynote speaker, Dr. D. Vimal Kumar, sir, and all the participants to the second day of this enriching faculty development program. Thank you, sir. The session is yours. Thank you.
Thank you for your kind
Thank,
introduction,
thank you.
for your kind hearted welcome. Really, I feel privileged to be attending this, to be in this as a resource person. Now I'll be presenting my screen. Just a First of all, I like to thank Nandha Arts College for providing me this opportunity, to the principal and the management. I am very grateful to Nandha, stating that I was brought up only in Nandha. Because of Nandha gave me a great life in pharmacy, as well as I was working there for 3 years. I got very good friends, and everyone taught me how should I uh, go up with the teaching profession. That's the thing. For the past 20 years, I am leading in this professional area. Thank you all once again, and I am ready to move into my presentation process. Yeah, the title assigned to me is "Smart Technologies for Problem Solving." Actually, I had already stated that the title is smart technology. The smart technology is based on certain things like IoT, blockchain, cyber security. There are several new trends has come into existence. Now AI is also plays a vital role um, in this process. For making an AI or any process, mathematics plays a vital role. It is the backbone of the artificial intelligence. Okay, without maths, the computer cannot be performing any task. Every AI algorithm is built on mathematical principles. Without maths, AI cannot function effectively. Then AI is not just one thing, it can talk, it can solve the problem, it can guide us, it can correct and personalize the learning process. Um, Now, I will be sharing you what is that three different types of AI. That is AI, Gen AI, and Super AI. AI in the sense, by the thing we can see that example that gets machines to perform some smart task. Like we can say that Google Map is one of the best important tasks, and chatbot is the next important thing. Third is the Netflix recommendation. Google Map, now wherever we are going, when we are not able to find people, when we are in search of some areas, we will be using the immediately we will be using Google Map or share our location, so that it is easy for us to track the particular person and go to the particular place. For that, AI plays a main vital role. Then chatbot to have a 24/7 chatbot, even at the night when I want to have a chat with my banking sector. I can give request for a statement or any transaction that has happened. All those things can be done. That is can be done by AI. Netflix recommendation, the sense when you are watching using Netflix, or when we are watching using Disney Hotstar or any Google, what will happen? Whatever we are watching, based upon that, AI will observe us, and it will be stating that yes, when you have watched this video, you can watch these similar type of movies like that. It will be giving some suggestion. That is the purpose of AI. Then, when we are considering about the next generation, that is Gen AI, it is generative AI. By the term itself, we can understand it will be creating the image on its own. It will be generating the text on its own, and it can compose the music. We can see while we are watching YouTube or anything, any social media channels, at the time there will be some advertisement flashing. I am a AI driven person. I am this photography is based upon AI. Like that, there will be certain processing will become the advertisement, that is Gen AI. We can the AI can create image on its own. It can generate the text. When we are giving some text, based upon the text, it can assume something, and it can credit on its own. That's the thing. Then Super AI, it is next to Gen AI. Super AI is, we are in the Gen AI area. Next, we are in the Super AI, or artificial intelligence is a type of AI that is smarter than humans in every way. The super AI would be able to do things that no human can to do. It could solve very hard problems in a very quicker way. It would think and learn better than humans. Super AI could come up with new inventions. For example, it could find help from the and helps to cure the diseases. Next. Okay. Here we are discussing about the three different types of AI. Artificial narrow intelligence, that is example Alexa and Google Translator. We everyone knows about Alexa. Normally in many houses they used to have internet connectivity, and they used to have connection with Alexa. Alexa is a type of artificial intelligence tool where when we are ordering something, Alexa will be performing. Even a simple story you might have heard. Some theft has come into the house. Immediately, the girl child doesn't know how to react. She started saying that Alexa, start barking. There is no dog in the house, but when Alexa starts barking, immediately the theft thieves who came inside for theft process, they ran away, thinking that there are several dogs inside the house. Like that, it is all humor sense. How the humans are thinking, and how the we are making the system to make it as intelligent. That is AI. Artificially, we are making the system intelligent, and we are protecting us. Okay, like that. Google Translator, everyone knows, because in all the mobile phones, when we are giving some statements and when we are asking to translate it, automatically it will be translating to the language which we need. Next, AGI, that is artificial general intelligence. It is future human-like AI. Then ASI, artificial super intelligence. It is super intelligence machine, will be saying as ASI. Okay. These are all some of the applications of AI in mathematics. When I had started focusing on the mathematics, because it is one of the important factor where AI can survive only because of the mathematics. If there is no maths, 100% there is no computers, there is no AI or anything else. The algorithm which we are framing based upon the equations, all these things comes only from mathematical process. So when the different applications of AI in mathematics are mainly problem solving, then quick solutions, and there are several applications when we are using the statistics to study the data, to calculate and in solving the functions, in optimization to find the best solutions, and to predict or forecast the future results. For example, when we are using in Amazon or Flipkart, based upon the census of data in this particular region, how much amount of my product has been sold, whether I am in the profitable position or not. If based upon the statistical data, I can come to a conclusion why I am not reaching the particular goal or particular profit. If I want to reach, what should I perform? What should I process? Like that, everything will be calculated based upon the statistical data. Statistical data in the sense previous year's data is called statistical data. Right. Then when we are focusing on several AI tools, mainly we are focusing on ChatGPT. That is, it is an information and research support, and it is used for content creation, data analysis assistance, and learning and tutoring, productivity AI, and coding and technical help. All these are all some of the. I am rushing up because I want to show multiple demos related to the tools. Okay, all these things I had shared the PPT in the WhatsApp group. Okay, right. How ChatGPT works? ChatGPT is built on large language models, LLM. We used to say the term LLM. That is specifically GPT is generative pre-trained transformed models. It is trained on vast text data to predict the next word in a sentence. For example, when you are writing a statement, I am going, when I give the particular term, automatically it will say that yes, um, uh, this particular person going to which place or going along with whom, like that it will start suggesting some words. Even in mail you might have seen, even in WhatsApp, while you are typing in the WhatsApp, it will say the next message, like that. That AI plays a vital role in that. Like that, when ChatGPT, while you are giving some commands or prompts, automatically the ChatGPT will be processing it and it will be generating the content more than you expect. That is the process of ChatGPT. Then AI creates images and databases. Now I will show you how AI will be helping in just simple examples. One or two examples will be helping you to identify the thing. Just a minute. ChatGPT is mainly based upon the prompt. Whatever the prompt we are giving, based upon the prompt that is query, this AI will be planning accordingly, and it will be giving us the answer by collecting the data which is stored previously. That is, it will be starting predicting the answer. Yes, this is the reason. This is the answer the particular author is expecting. Like that, it will be giving us the clear answers. Okay, now I will show you a simple task. See here, now I have given you some in this slide. Generate a cartoon. It is not necessary that it should be only a cartoon. You can give any pictures. Generate a cartoon jungle scene where a lion is playing with animated characters like rabbit, monkey, elephant, like that. This is the thing I got. This is the prompt I want to give. For that particular prompt, when I give this particular prompt, automatically ChatGPT will start generating a cartoon where the jungle scene where it will be a fully forest. In that, a lion will be playing with animated characters like rabbit, monkey, or elephant. Meantime, we will be opening another. Let this get open. Before that, we will be moving on to the another thing. Here, I had also posted this in the WhatsApp group. When you are using ChatGPT, what are all the commands it will be expecting? This document lists the common secrets or shorthand codes used in ChatGPT and AI prompt engineering, along with their meanings, functions, and example uses. Okay. For example, see, consider that I am giving a, I want to get some responses as a human being. I want to mention the chat GPT or artificial AI tool stating that I am a human being. So whatever the answer you are giving, as a human understand, it should be like a human understanding. That's the thing. See here in the example, slash human is the text word. Okay, slash human is the text word keyword which you should add in before the prompt slash human, and when you rewrite this paragraph in a natural friendly tone. Automatically what will happen, as a human understandable language, it will be using those simple words and then it will be framing like that. There are several things I have given you, like summarize in the sense, it long tests summarize the long text into concise points or a short paragraph. Even when you give a 20 pages or 30 pages book, and when you ask you to summarize, it will read the book, it will analyze the entire PDF or whatever the material you are given. Based upon that, it will analyze and it will be giving you the short summary. Yes, this is the thing that has been stated in the paragraph. For example, now I had made nearly 47 to 50 slides. I can add as a PPT. That PPT I can add inside the Chat GPT as a file and ask to say summarize what is the data I need. Um, Automatically, what will happen? Just within 5 to 6 lines, it will be coming. Just I will show you that. In time, I will see what is the Chat GPT. We have created an image, it takes a longer time. Yeah, now it has come. See here, this is
Yes.
the line, and along with the line are the cartoon pictures like elephant, rabbit, and whatever the thing, monkey, all are playing with the line in the jungle. This is the thing which I have given as a prompt. Like that, you can create n number of prompts, whatever you like. Okay. See here, generate an image line teach. When you can even say that, yeah, this is also, it will be very interesting. You can ask to generate an image as a line teaching max inside the classroom. Line will be teaching the inside the class, and all the students will be sitting in the table. Like that, it will be creating. Here, I will explain you what is the summarize slash summarize. No, this example alone we will see. Then you can work it out with all other examples. Now this is ready. So that now what I can do, add photos and files. Now I am using the same PowerPoint slides where I have stored here. I am taking this particular PowerPoint slide and I am asking you to summarize this particular, nearly 50 slides are present in this particular PowerPoint slide. Now I am asking to summarize slash SUMMARISE. Yeah, it is getting loaded. In the meantime, we will wait. Before that, we will see this here. Slash expand. Expand in the sense it will be expanding the idea with more details and examples, and it will be, for example, when I give slash expand, add more explanation and give real-time examples to this section. When if I am asking, automatically it will be expanding the thing. Similarly, slash rephrase, slash simplify. Simplify in the sense, explain the AI concept for school students. I am a 10-year-old man. I am only 5 years. I can understand only the Tamil language. So try give me in Tamil, like that. Whatever the thing we are giving based upon the prompt, it will be giving us in a simplified way. Slash formal, when I am texting it to my higher official, I need a formal language, or I can even say that create a email message for this particular some you might have created you might have got one some email requesting for something. For that, you want to give a reply email, you need not want to struggle at all. Automatically, what you can do, you can go to that particular email, copy the email, and say that before pasting it in ChatGPT, state simple wordings. Create a mail for the particular create a reply mail for this particular mail. Then put a hyphen and then paste the particular mail content. It will be giving along with the subject. So if you are frequently using this chat GPT with your name and designation, along with the name and designation, it will give the entire content. My dear students, whatever the thing which I had given in PPT, it will be giving here as a what is that? Simple prompts, so that you can easily understand when you read this. Yeah, nearly 47 slides I had included, but this will be a concising or compressing to a particular thing whichever needed. Okay. Right. Okay. Next, yeah, now you can see this funny thing which I had already stated. Generate an image. Okay. In the meantime, we will be going to the Word file. Yeah, like that. The rephrase is also something is there. Simplify the particular concepts. Then formal, casual, slash translate, code, teach, like that. Here, slash TL, that is TL is nothing but too long, DR didn't read, used to request or provide a summary. That is example, when you give TLTDR, summarize the report in one paragraph. Automatically it will be summarizing in one paragraph alone. We will try this next. Still it is generating. It takes a longer time. It is not only the thing. You can even give. Um, you can even give the images also. The same PPT I am loading here. If this happened within that, we will see what has happened in the. Yeah, still it is loading because these are all paid versions, so that we can do it only to a limit. That is the reason I had created. I had opened 2 3 mail IDs in the Chrome browser, and in that particular Chrome browser, I'm opening the Chat GPT. Today, if I am limited to this particular 4 diagrams, when it says that go to update yourself, like that, when it asks, automatically I can, when I go to the next day, I can again process with this Chat GPT. You can give us a new chat and you can process. It's getting late. Yeah, see here, the smart technologies, it automatically gives us a concise profile. What is there in the PPT, entire thing will be given in a concise reading and to make you understand. That's all. Okay, so you need not want to worry, even if you are having a big book or big PDF at the time. Sir, that's all. Nearly 50 slides. How much lines? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Within 12 lines, it has totally state, yes, this is the thing which is inside the particular slide. Like that, it has clearly given us. So AI plays a vital role in making the persons to understand. Still, it is getting delayed. Okay, we will move on to the other tools. Yeah. Now, Suno is Suno.ai. You can note this AI tool. This AI tool, I had already logged in. You can use Google and sign in, because if I am signing in now, it will take a longer time. So that it is all free thing. That is, for certain things it will be free, like ChatGPT. Certain versions are free now, like that. Just a minute. Yes, I am in your existing songs are allowed. Okay. You can create your own song or you can process it. Yeah, just a minute. I go to create. Yeah. Now it is asking a lyrics from your side. Whatever the lyrics, if you are having the lyrics, you can give it, or you can ask the same thing. Just a minute, we will see in Chat GPT. I want some. I want love lyrics. by your here again you can again specify yes, here is in your eyes when the world feels dark and cold, like that. Now it has created a entire song itself. Okay, for that, when this particular song, what I'm doing, I'm copying this particular song. There are several stanzas, but I'm copying only this stanza. It's lack of time. I'm copying these lyrics here, and I'm asking to create. It is getting loaded. And wait for 2 seconds. Within that, we will see whether this particular line taking class is. Yeah. See here. I think everyone can view this. You can even download this particular image. When you click this, you can even download this particular image. Okay. See here, what is the prompt we have given? A line taking class for the students. Yeah. This is a line taking mathematics class for the students who are sitting inside. That's all. Okay. I think that it will be more easy for you to understand. Can you understand, my dear? Whether it is whether am I boring? Hello.
No, sir.
The useful are kappa.
Sir, it's interesting only. Go ahead. This session is very informative, sir.
Okay, madam. Okay, thank you. Still, you can wait in the line so that you can get more information. Just a minute. Yeah. See here. Now I am playing this song.
When the world feels dark and cold, your smile's the light I hold. Every dream I've ever known starts where your heart has flown.
Wait, I will check whether I can download this. I'll be downloading and sharing you. Yeah, see here, I can download this particular thing. Yeah, now it has downloaded. Now share it in the WhatsApp so that everyone can. Which I got shared, I don't. I forgot which.
So that was played by the admin. No, I think. Don't worry.
No, ma. Yeah, this was created by AI tool, but Suno.ai, no?
Yes, sir. The same thing which you
So
have
that
shared in
same
WhatsApp, I have played, sir.
Oh, the WhatsApp which I had shared, you had paid, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine. Yeah, I had a. That's the thing. We can everyone can become a AR Rahman or a Ilaiyaraaja based upon this AI tool. Yeah, we can listen this. You can listen to this music also, so that it will be more lovely. For writing the lines, poetry lines also, we need not want to struggle. We can use any one of the AI tool like ChatGPT, and we can ask for the particular script. Then, when based upon whether you want a love song or a birthday song, or when you want to wish for someone's birthday, like that, you can ask for it. Immediately, it will be giving in the form of different stanza, so that you can also minimize the prompt, saying that men voice and ladies voice, like that you can give the prompt in this particular Suno.ai. Automatically Suno will be creating it, and then we can download that particular thing and we can listen to it. Okay, so that with the help of this, everyone can become a AR Rahman or musician using this AI tool. Next, I'm moving on to the another. The forest. I think that you can see certain images. Okay, based on these, that is, you might have seen in particular thing, the rainfall will be, rain will be flowing, or a building will be falling down. It will be saying that it is a AI generated video or generated thing. Similarly, like that, n number of pictures can be generated. Even we can say that instead of girl, we can say. I'm trying this. Everything has certain limits. That's the reason. From yesterday onwards, I am trying this and learning this. That is the reason it's more problem. Okay, now you might have seen how the images has been created. Still, my limit credit has been over. I couldn't create further, but I can create it tomorrow. I can generate it tomorrow. Okay. Next, I'll be moving on to another tool. Lumina brush. See here, I'm dropping one image. Meantime, I will search for another image here. Just 2 minutes. Okay, now I had already loaded one image in the Lumina brush, and I am again loading in another image. Store it in desktop. Forest. Now I want to merge these two pictures. I want to bring this picture as a background for it. I am trying this. Yeah, can you see that? My dear friends, can you see that?
Yes, sir.
The entire background has been changed without any process. There is no any change in the picture at all. If I want, I can even download this image. Save image as. Stop making you. Yeah, this particular thing for any photographic center or do any hard work. Just you can take any two photos and give this photo as a background, and you can do it using this AI tool, Lumina Brush. Yeah. This is the name of the tool, Lumina Brush. Okay. Next, here I like to give you another thing. I have given many things in this particular examples. Yeah. Now, most probably we will be struggling in writing a research paper. For first of all, we should know what is a research paper, what are all the things needed. The prompt which you are giving should be very clear. Okay. First, what you need, we need a title. For that particular title, which is the area we want, we are supposed to choose it. After choosing that, we should give what is the data set, from where the data should be taken. Then what are all the required sections, like we need abstract keywords, that is at least minimum 5 keywords. The introduction should be at least minimum of 600 words. Then literature review, at least 5 with a recent literature review. Then methodology, with any mathematical formulas and equations of the chosen algorithm. I have chosen algorithms like artistic decision tree, random forest, k-nearest neighbor, like that I have given. I can generate chart. I am based upon certain comparison based upon the data set which has been given. Then I can give a clear output. I can give a chart also. Okay, I can make a paper also ready, but this paper we cannot say that it is a it will be exactly correct. But when we are using perplexity tool, certain data what we are based upon the prompt what we are giving, it will be analyzing and it will be comparing and giving you a good result. Okay, there are several tools available. Even the history of perplexity. Perplexity in the year 2021, I think so. Srinivasan, who is the owner of the particular perplexity, he has processed with Chrome and asked he wants to create he wants to merge with Google as a browser, but Google refused it. Now Perplexity is one of the biggest AI tool where you can use for research processing. Like that, several things are available, but when we are hesitated or when we are neglected by certain activities, then only we will be learning a lot. Yeah. I need what are all the details I need. I had taken. Now I'm going to. Most probably, some of you might have already known about all these things. Yeah, it will be asking something always like this before I am generating something. Whether you want me to do that this like that. It will once you confirm that the equation for each algorithm like that all these things based upon these things it will be asking and finally it will be giving you a paper. You can also ask in such a way that give it in a downloadable word format, downloadable link format. Then you can download it and you can read it line by line and check it whether the data is perfect or correct, and then you can process. Okay, here I will try again. Download or be display full text here. It is asking me. Yeah. Perfect. I will prepare option A. Yeah. It will be taking a little bit time to analyze. You should make the chat GPT to understand what you need. Based upon the prompt, you can get the entire paper. You use your real world, it is asking you what type of data set, whether I should use synthetic data set or mathematical data set. It is, if you want a mathematical data set, you should give one. If you want synthetic data set, you should give two. Giving two. I'm asking to use whatever the thing you are giving, it will be appreciating you and going on making it in a that way. Yeah. Do you want me to include graphs accuracy? If you please confirm, it's asking. Okay, when because we are using an unpaid process. So what will happen till we are going for a longer time? Finally, it will say that your data is over, so that you cannot process it. That is one of the drawback in this particular thing. So that if you are having paid version, I can teach you several tools, nearly 10 to 15 tools I had learned within 2 days. Only for your purpose, I will teach you on another tool after this process. Okay, let us wait. Before that, what we can do, I'll be more that X AI dot art. Flux AI.art. That is the name of the tool I had given. Now see here, I am going to upload a picture. I can even take this picture. No, this picture will not be good. So that I'm going for I will be taking the same picture. Flux AI.art. Okay. Now what I want to do, it is asking me what should I do. Okay. Here I am saying that change the first I will change the color of my shirt. within that we will see what has happened for the research paper. Yeah, see here, it has given us a simple document itself. This particular file has been downloaded. Yeah, this is the title. Numbers that learn is a name, title it has given for this particular article. A data set driven comparison of machine learning algorithms in mathematics. Okay, here it has given an abstract, it has given the keywords, introduction about the particular mathematical titles it has given. But we should read. Without reading it, when we are submitting it, then we will be in trouble. Okay, like that in 2023 Smith et al. That is the literature survey, recent literature survey we have specified, so that it has given us a literature survey. Then certain methodologies, like 5 different methodologies, it has been used, like logistic regression, support vector machine. All the formulas also is given on the side. Decision tree. Okay. Yes. The data set description. What are all the features available? What type of thing it has been taken? Everything is given. Yeah, see here, along with the Excel chart, calculating the accuracy value, precision value, fire call, sorry, recall, and F1 score for the all the different algorithms which we have quoted: logistic regression, support vector machine, decision tree, random forest, KNN, that is K nearest neighbor. All these things it has given. Finally, it will be giving a conclusion also. If this study presents a comparative analysis of 5 supervised machine learning algorithms on a scientific mathematical data set, among all, random forest exhibited the best overall performance indicating stability. Okay, the references which we have quoted, all these particular references will become here. If we say that if we need 10 references, it will be based upon the prompt what we give, we will be getting the answers. But this is not the way to write a research paper. Well, this is only a base idea. When you learn this, you will be analyzing, you will be coming to some conclusion. Yes, what are all the algorithms available? How should I compare one algorithm with another algorithm? Which algorithm will be providing better results? Everything you can learn. Then you can frame this paper or restructure this paper and make it as a good paper. Okay. Understand, my dear? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Still, it is generating. The only 36% has been generated. Um, but like that, this is the thing. Yeah, it has changed the color. What is this? The color here is blue, but I have changed the color to green. That's the thing. They change the color of my shirt to green. Like that, I can change the entire thing or whatever the prompt which I am giving. Based upon the prompt, it will be getting executed, and I can do any changes using this AI. Okay. For funny thing, I would like to say that one of the when you are what is that when you are going with your friends, you should be very careful. AI can generate videos or any type of photographies as per the vision. As a girl sitting on the lap of a boy, all these things that can be generated, that can be also traced out whether this is a AI generated um, uh, or a real image. Like that, it can be easily identified. Okay. In certain, the problem here only in this particular chat GPT is when I give the particular photo and ask to include this particular image in a birthday for wishing a birthday process, automatically it will be giving a cute wordings of a birthday message. Now I will show you one video. I don't know whether I have kept that video or not. Wait a minute. I had also generated a video, but that for that thing is over for me. That's the problem. It's all because of you. As you asked me to come as a resource person, I had yesterday night I had did all this process. And see here, this is the video I had generated. Yeah, that is the Lumen 5. That is the name of the tool. Lumen 5. With the help of the Lumen 5, I can create a video, but I think that my credit points is over for that. Per day, I can use only to a limit. That is the problem. Anyway, I will try. If I get any possibility, I will explain you that also. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 AI video maker. Create a new video. Just a minute. We can use this template. Text and media. Paste or write the text. What do you need? For that, you need not even want to struggle. I had already taught you that you can go to ChatGPT and mm, yeah, happy birthday, Dr. Vimal, like that. It gives you an entire message. So you need not want to struggle in creating have a fantastic year ahead. Like that, till that you can copy and then go to that. Even whatever. You can publish 2-minute video on the free plan. Need more time, upgrade your plan. It is asking me to upgrade. But this is the way you can create particular thing. Okay. If you want, you can even edit the script after doing the script. If you want, you can even edit the script. Then you can give it as a in the media so that media I'll try. Now here you can upload the images if you need as a background image for this particular video. It's all creativity, how you are thinking and how you are processing each and everything. That's all. The images are getting uploaded. You want, you can again not only a single image, you can even upload multiple images you want. Images is not there in the particular folder. It's all your creativity. You can analyze and you can have 3 or 4 pictures or 10 pictures. Based upon that, what you can do, and you can generate a video. Now, video is getting generated. We can even download this particular video after generating. Still, it is getting processed. Within that time, just I will be showing one data in the ChatGPT. Where is the presentation? Yeah, now you can even create a storyboard also, or using the cartoon pictures, you can create a storyboard using Perplexity. It's very easy. You can copy a story, you can create your own story, or you can give your own story for your subject. Then using Perplexity AI tool, you can enter into Perplexity and you can ask to create a storyboard for the particular prompt. Like that, when you create a storyboard, then you give the story and give click, automatically storyboard will be created on the top so that you can view it in an easier way. Okay. Here, similarly, when you want to have a PowerPoint slide presentation, suddenly any of your faculties are want to create a presentation within a matter of few minutes, they can give the title and they can say that in ChatGPT they can give generate PPT in downloadable links. Otherwise, what you are supposed to do, it will be giving us a five points as a single slide. You should copy and put it in the PowerPoint slide. Rather than that, what we can do, we can use the word generate PowerPoint downloadable link with minimum 10 slides or 15 slides. How many slide numbers they are giving, based upon the number of slides, the PowerPoint slides will be created for the title which you are giving. For example, now if I want it in know about that what is that blockchain, immediately when I give the generate downloadable PPT link, at least with minimum 20 slides for the title blockchain, introduction to blockchain, like that, when you are giving the comparison of several AI tools, whatever you give, based upon that, the chat GPT will be generating a PPT and it will be giving you. Okay, so you need not want to struggle nowadays for generating PPT or doing some image processing or any video creation, or when you want to become a digital marketer. All these things are very easy because of this particular AI tool. Even analysis can be done. These are all the free mathematical tools, the paid tools. And I want to show you one example. That's the thing I'm searching for it. Yeah, even when I give a particular image like this, my native language is Tamil. I want to speak in English confidently in 30 days. Give me a simple, practical, and lesson plan. I have 30 minutes per day to learn this skill. This is an image. When I feed this image in the particular chat GPT, automatically you should give the prompt, give the solution or refine the particular problem for this. Automatically the prompt will be refined and it will be giving that is shown on the next point. Simplify and give me a simple 30 minutes routine. Automatically it will say that this is good, make it much simpler. These are all some of the prompt. When we give this based upon the prompt, it will be giving in a elegant way, so that you can all try this with ChatGPT. Yeah, I have given everything so that you can even work it out in your thing. But just one Excel file, I'm searching for it. These are all different type of AI tools available. There are several tools, nearly 6,500 tools. Something is available. But what are these are all some of the tools which you are using it repeatedly. Perplexity, ChatGPT, then wait a minute. I will end the session with this particular. I'm searching for the Excel file. Yeah. Create an employee database. Now, you need not want to struggle for an employee database. You can create an employee database. For something else nonsense. Wait a minute. What we were seeing in the previous thing. I got yeah. Here the video is ready. Wait a minute. I can download this also. I can review. Sorry, I had downloaded already, but I'm taking multiple risks. See here, download is available. Okay, Melia, can you get some idea how to create an image, how to create a video, and how can you use ChatGPT like that? I think that you might have got some idea. Just with this Excel, I will be ending the session. Just wait for 5 minutes. I'll be teaching on another point so that it will be more useful for you. I'm asking you to create an employee database which contains all necessary information of the employee. Generate 10 values for each column, because how many columns are there? For that much columns, you are supposed to generate that much values. Okay. When you do this, automatically it should process and give you an Excel sheet. Yeah, can you see that the data employee database? Can you see my dear? Yeah, since I have given only 10 employees, it has given only for 10 records. If I am giving 100 employees, it will be giving 100 employees. See here, it has given the columns are also explained. Employee ID, it is a unique identifier for each employee, name, gender, age, or personal details, department designation, or work details. More than this, what do you expect from AI? Convert this data into a CSV or .excel file. It or show how to create it in SQL. That is, create table like that.
Good evening, everyone. It's time to say a word of thanks. On behalf of Nandha Arts and Science College, Department of Computer Applications, and BGN Research Department of Computer Science, it gives me immense pleasure to say a word of thanks. Learning is a treasure that will enrich your life forever, as a Chinese proverb. So I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for making this online FDP session a grand success. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take away it from you. A special thanks to our resource person, Dr. D. Vimal Kumar sir. Thank you for sharing your expertise and insights, enriching our understanding of AI tools. Your demo session will great inspiration to uh, do practically. Your contributions have been invaluable to our learning journey. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we have into enough. As said by Melody Battle, to the organizers, thank you for meticulously planning and executing this FDP, ensuring a smooth and engaging experience for all the participants. It's special thanks to the faculty members of Department of Computer Applications and Computer Science for the effort and support for organizing this FDP sessions of second day. To my fellow participants, thank you for your active participation, enthusiasm, and collaborative spirit. Your interactions and discussions have added immense value to the session. Thank you all for your time, effort, and commitment to the learning. I wish you all to extend the support and for further 4 days. Once again, I thank you all.